In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert Outlook Classic Ribbon View. If your Outlook suddenly looks a little too minimal and you're missing the commands you rely on, you're probably seeing the simplified ribbon. The Classic Ribbon brings back the fuller multi-row layout with more buttons visible at once. Let's switch to that in a few quick clicks. First, open Outlook. You can do this in your browser or the app on your computer. The process is similar either way. Once Outlook is open, look to the very top of your screen. That horizontal strip with tabs like Home and View is the ribbon. We're going to use a small control on the ribbon itself to change how it's displayed. Move your cursor to the far right end of the ribbon. At the bottom right corner of that area, you'll see a small drop-down arrow, sometimes called a caret. It's easy to miss because it's subtle, but it sits just under the ribbon tabs and slightly to the right of the visible commands. Click that tiny arrow. When you click it, a menu opens that contains ribbon display options. In that menu, look for the option labeled Classic Ribbon. This is the fuller layout that shows more commands and often uses 2 lines of buttons. Click Classic Ribbon, and Outlook will immediately expand the interface to the traditional look. If you don't spot the arrow, there's a second way to get to the same place. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon bar itself, right on the area where the buttons live. A context menu will appear. In that menu, select Classic Ribbon. As soon as you choose it, the ribbon will switch to the classic layout. After you've selected Classic Ribbon, you should see more icons with text labels, and the ribbon will likely occupy a bit more vertical space. That's expected. It's designed to give you faster access to commonly used commands without hunting through dropdowns. A quick note on what you're seeing. The simplified ribbon focuses on a cleaner, single-row experience and may hide some buttons behind menus. The Classic Ribbon restores the fuller set of commands at a glance. If your work involves formatting, rules, or frequent calendar and mail actions, the Classic layout often feels more efficient. That's all you need to do. Open Outlook, click the small drop-down arrow at the bottom right of the ribbon to reveal the options, and choose Classic Ribbon, or right-click the ribbon and pick Classic Ribbon from the menu. You'll view updates instantly, and you're back to the familiar, full-featured interface.